Quantitative aptitude 1, HCF and HCF we are discussing. HCF concept we discussed in the previous video. In this video, I will discuss with you what is the shortcut. Okay, shortcuts are very important for the competitive examination. So to save the time in your examination, you must follow the shortcuts wherever applicable. Now here, what is the shortcut to calculate the HCF? See here, what is the shortcut? I took the same example. In the previous video, I took this example in general method, in division method, we calculated the HCF. Now here, see here, the same example I took, but I can finish it in a single step. How can you calculate the HCF in a single step? HCF of 140, 160, 170. I took the same example. In the previous video also, I took the same example. Okay, but in division method, we calculated in the previous video. Now in this video, the shortcut. What is the shortcut here? You follow one point. What is that point? Select one number. See here. Select one number. Which number you have to select? That number divides all the numbers. Select one number that divides all the numbers and take the product of the selected numbers. Take the product of the selected number that gives the HCF. You can finish it in a single step. It is. See here, observe the example 140, 160, 170. So any number of values is given. You take all the values at a time in shortcut. But in division method, you take only two values at a time. It takes a lot of time to calculate. Generally, we don't follow this method. Always you follow the shortcut method to calculate the HCF. Now, in shortcut method, you take all the values at a time. So 140, 160, 170. Now here what you do, select one number. Which number you have to select? That number divides all the numbers. Now 120, 140, 160, 170. All the numbers are divisible by 10 only. By dividing 10, 10 40s. Okay, 10 60s, 10 17s it is. Now again select one number that divides all the numbers. Is there any number? No. So always 1 divides all the numbers. So you take 1. 1 divides all the numbers. Now what you do? Product of the selected numbers. Now take the product of these numbers. What is the product of these numbers, please? Okay, 10 into 1. You can get the answer in a single step. It is. Need not necessary to take 1 also. Into 1 means you get the same value. So 10 is the answer. Understood? I will give one more example. See here, I will give one more example. Suppose what is the HCF of? So in the definition we discussed this one 4, 8, 12. What is the HCF of this? In definition we discussed this example. What is the HCF of 4, 8, 12? According to our shortcut it is select one number. Which number you have to select? That number divides all the numbers. So all the numbers are divisible by 4. By selecting 4, it is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 8, divisible by 12 also. Okay. Now 4 1s, 4 2s, 4 3s. Again select one number that divides all the numbers. So 1. There is no other number other than 1. There is no number other than 1. So 1 need not necessary to take. So what is HCF? 4. You can get the answer in a single step. It is. Not only that, see here, I will explain some more examples for you for the better understanding. Suppose see here one more example. So HCF of 60, 75, 90. What is the HCF of this? It is. Now select one number that divides all the numbers. Now see here. Now 60, 75, 90. Now select one number that divides all the numbers. All the numbers are divisible by 15 here directly. 15 4s, 15 5s, now 15 6 it is. Now again select one number that divides all the numbers. Now there is no number. Now 15 is the HCF. Need not necessary to take 1. Product again gives the number it is. Understood? See here one more example I will give. HCF of, suppose let it be 40, 60, 120. What is the HCF of this? Now 40, 60, 120. Now select one number that divides all the numbers. Now all the numbers are divisible by 20, 22s. Now 23s. Now 26 it is. Now again select one number that divides all the numbers. Is there any number? No. So HCF is 20. You can get the answer in a single step it is. So take one more example. HCF. What is the HCF of this it is? Now what you do? Take the numbers 240, 360, 120. Suppose repeatedly you are guessing 20, all the numbers are divisible by 20. You select 20 first. Okay, now 20 12s. Now 20 18s. Now 20 60s. 26. Understood? So now again all the numbers are divisible by 6 it is, 6 2s, 6 3s, now 6 1s, now 6 1. Now again select one number that divides all the numbers. There is no number. What you do? Take the product here. 20 into 6. How much it is? 120. Now all the numbers are divisible by 120. 122 directly how to take. If you guess the larger number, you can get the answer in a single step. All the numbers are divisible by 120, 122s, 123s, 121. So what is the answer? 120 is the answer. You can finish it in a single step if you get the larger number. Or so whichever is convenient. So that you have to take and take the product of the selected number that will give the HCF final. This is the shortcut. So you have to follow only this shortcut. Don't follow the definition. Don't follow the division method. You have to follow only this shortcut to save the time in our examinations. Okay. Thank you to all of you.